Hello, my name is Bernat and this is the final project of the subject. The components that I have used are this Arduino board here and this LED matrix. This project is designed to be used in a kid's dining room. So when the kids' dining room are very loud, you can just send messages through this LED matrix with useful information for the kids, such as custom messages or a counter, in order to just send it through a visual way instead of having to raise your voice. Therefore, the monitors can just program using a computer program the messages they want to send through the LED matrix, and they just don't have to raise their voices. So the main idea is to have like a bigger matrix. This matrix is not big enough for the kids to read, but the main idea would be to have a bigger matrix, but this includes having like more current demanded for the board, which is not allowed for these Arduino boards. This only allow just a few milliamps per port to be demanded. And this would also be interesting to work it with a speaker, since a speaker would really help in order to have the messages out loud. So this is regarding the hardware design, and then we can move to the software. So the program is controlled using this interface here, which is programmed in processing. You can add a custom message here, or you can add a timer here. So for example, adding a custom message here, and then sending ambia, you can see that it is displayed on the LED matrix. You can see that the animation is displayed cyclically, and it can be seen like multiple times until the user sends another message. Now let's test the timer function. So for example, if we have 30 minutes of timer, and then we press Inicia. When this animation ends, the timer is just started like that. Okay. So you can see that, for instance, if we want to add a timer for the kids to let them know when they are going to the playground or something, we can just add some minutes to that box and then press Inicia to show it. Okay, so regarding the code, I will do a very brief explanation. We have processing code and Arduino code. Regarding syntax, they are very similar. We have here first the global variable declarations, then we have set of function for initialization. This generates the main components and functionalities for the visual interface program. Then we have the draw, which is like corresponds to the loop in Arduino. And then we have like custom functions. So the main idea is that the user writes a message, then he presses envia, and then using the serial bus of the Arduino, the message is moved to the Arduino code. For the timer, what is done is that a header on the message is being used. In this case, if the message starts with STC and then a number goes afterwards, then the Arduino code knows that in this case a number is being used. There are also exceptions in this case added in order to see if a number is greater than 2 digits. So for example, if we're inputting a number that their length is bigger than 2 digits, therefore we can only add numbers between 1 and 99 minutes, and then this will throw an exception. And also, if there is any problem doing this conversion here, this will mean that the user is not really inputting a number on the box, so this will also throw an exception. When an exception is thrown, what we have is that the LED matrix is going to be displayed this line here, which is format error. So we will see the format error words in the LED matrix. So for the Arduino code, same thing goes here. So we have here the global variable declaration. We have here the initialization of the serial bus, of the libraries that are used for this code. And then we have the main loop. We have the execution of the animation, the check to see if there is any messaging coming from the serial bus, and the conversion to char arrays in order to represent it in the functions below. And then we have here a key, the delimitator of the header of the message. So again, if the message starts with st_c_. That means we are using a timer. Otherwise that means we're just receiving a normal message. All right. So then we have here functions to start the timer, to control the timer. The timer is updated once every second. So this is in milliseconds, therefore 1 second. And we have here the logic to change the numbers, to display the numbers, and then to plot them. And then we have the functions to plot the numbers, to clear display, and then to put the characters. And with that, the presentation of the project is finished. We have here the timer running from when we started. And yeah, this is the project. I hope that you have liked it. And if you have any question regarding the project or you want to retrieve the source code, please let me know. Thank you very much.